Having trouble with your Windows 11 desktop not refreshing automatically? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing it. So let's dive into the solutions right away. Solution 1. Repair Windows system files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit Enter. After that, type in dism/cleanup-image/check health and press the Enter key. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health and press Enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if that did the trick. Solution 2. Clear File Explorer history. To do this, open up the File Explorer on your PC. Then click on the three dots icon from the top bar. After that, click on Options. Next, click the Clear button from here. Lastly, hit that OK button. Now check if that fixed the issue. Solution 3. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search box, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer Process and select Restart from the context menu. After it's restarted, your Windows 11 desktop should refresh automatically. So that's how you fix the Windows 11 desktop not refreshing automatically issue. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for tuning in.